Welcome, in front of me I have ALCATEL One S 2020, and today I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. So at the first we have to go for the Play Store, click on the search pool and type green Apple keyboard. Right now we have to click on the install button. When the download is finished, you can open that application, click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click OK for the 2 times, then go back. Click to switch input methods, switch to the English United States keyboard, and tap on finish. Right now you can open messages, for example, and take a look. As you can see, there we got our new keyboard theme, and it looks very close to the iOS one. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.